Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about the if function. What is this if function? If function is used whenever we want to add any if else logic to any query. For that if function, this is the syntax for the if function. If that in that if, but what is a boolean expression? But boolean expression is that which expressions to be evaluated, we have to write it here, and the true value is that whatever the boolean expression it gives, the true section we have, it will give this true value is written as an output, and here the false value is written when it's a boolean expression evaluates a false value. So here, for to explain this, I have written a simple example like if 10 less than 20. Here 10 is less than 20. It's a true condition, so it will give the true value. And if you see, if I select this one, see what is the output, will get the true value, will get as a true value. Means this 10 is less than 20, we will get a value as the true. So here condition is satisfied, so the value will get as a true. And for to explain this thing, I have declared other is declared three variables which are Srihit, Vinod and minimum. Three values we have selected, and this select statement, see how what I have given is select if Srihit is greater than minimum, means Srihit is 12 greater than minimum. Here the condition fails, so what we will get here, we will get an output as in whatever the false value, what is it returns that that's a boolean expression that evaluates the false value, not eligible to vote. So if I execute this, you can see the output as first one as not eligible to vote and the second one as eligible to vote. See here the condition, here it fails, so it's the first one it fails, so it will get the false statement. This is the false statement which we have given, and the other thing is it here the condition is true, so it will get the true value. So this is how the false value and true value will get it. To explain more about this, another simple select statement I have used. Here I have declared two variables as integers, at the rate a and at the rate b, and here is the condition, it's a is greater than b, so it's in whatever it is there in a true value will get is a true value. So to explain this within a table, here I have written a select statement. If in that employee group tables, I have like the columns. See, if I select this, I have columns employee ID, employee name, department ID and employee salary. For that, here I have selected employee name, department ID, and the if condition what I have given, if department ID is 3, if there we have given it as a computers, and other one is electronics as branch from employee group details. See, if I execute this statement, whatever the employee ID with the department ID is 3, that branch is in computers branch. See, if I execute, see, this is how whatever that department ID is 3, here it is written as a computer, so branch of that department ID will be computers. See, this is how. Other things is false statements. If it's a department ID is not equal to 3, other things we will get as electronics. This is how I have written a simple statement, so that we can understand how to place a true value and how to select a false value, how it executes a simple if else logic. If the condition is true, it has to execute this. If the condition is false, it has to execute this. This is a simple if function, how I have explained. Thank you for listening. Please do share and subscribe my channel.